Are you tired of the power going out at 2 in the morning, and the only flashlight you have has a shine marked garbage? Well, look no further. This flashlight is so bright that you'll be as blind as a bat if you look into the light. Brightness at its finest. It's so bright that you will never need to worry about having an absolutely garbage piece of trash flashlight. Brought to you by Wash and Roll Car Wash. Maybe to a convenience store near you, but very unlikely. It can change into a square. And it has not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 different settings. If you are tired of having a flashlight that is a piece of junk, well, your troubles are over. It's the most powerful flashlight that I've ever seen. Although there are brighter ones, this flashlight will blow you away. It'll blow you away even worse than the Great Flood that probably had great winds. Coming to a store near you. Maybe.